Welcome back to another week of a lockdown in Jamaica with Rochielin. This is our third and final lockdown. Well, final for now. I don't know if the Prime Minister is going to extend it, but it's our third weekend of lockdown, and it is Saturday, April 10th, and our lockdown begins at midday. Right now it is 8:04 a.m. in the morning, so I'm trying to get some last minute things done and even get some grocery and stuff, because we're not allowed to come back out of the house later. We're not allowed to come out tomorrow, so I know how it goes. I'm just gonna vibe, and I'm just gonna take you guys on the journey with me. For those of you that are living overseas, hello. For my new subscribers, welcome to the FAMIELIN. For my returning subbies, hey boos. And for all of you that are watching and have not yet subscribed to the channel, I'm going to encourage you to press that red subscribe button just below the video. It will not cost you anything. It will just help me with the analytics and the metrics, so that I can keep putting out the content for you. And when you press that red subscribe button, there is a bell that is just beside it. Click that as well. That will ensure that you get the notification as soon as a video is posted, because when I check my analytics, I realize that almost 90% of you that are watching the videos are not subscribed, and I don't get why you're not subscribed. You're coming back every week to watch it anyways. So let's just do that. Cool, just subscribe, press the bell, and we're good to go. I love when we see, and let's just enjoy the video now. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Don't slip on the trail. Don't slip on the trail. Tempo, tempo. Can you keep up with my tempo? Tempo. Yeah, yeah, blowing up, C4. I just hit the Mike Jackson on my tiptoes. Oh yeah, I know we go wherever that wind blows, the endo. Don't slip on the trail. Don't slip on it. Don't slip on it. Don't slip on it. Don't slip on it. So right now I'm actually on the mall trying to get some last minute things done. It's 8 o'clock, and I assume that since the place is gonna close at 12, that the stores would open from about 7, you know, because there's no point in opening at 10 and close at 12. But I was so wrong, because I'm here on the mall trying to go to Amar's or Collectibles, and they're both closed. So I'm gonna head to the supermarket and then come back. So this is what the mall looks like right now. Look at it. That's why I never lose. They can't predict my moves. I'm way too. Guys, for those of you that understand what KFC means to Jamaicans, look, I'm standing over here in the mall, and there's a KFC across the street, and for the first time in life, it is empty. I'm gonna zoom in. It is empty because it's closed, but it's the moment it's open, the road leading into it is gonna be so full. It's crazy. I don't know where we got this KFC culture from, but usually when you go by the KFC, they are so packed no matter what time of day you go, or no matter what day. Even on a Sunday, when you know a lot of persons usually cook Sunday dinner at home, it's full. I don't know what's in the chicken. There's something in the sauce. But it's empty now because it's closed, but it's gonna be open soon. It's almost 9 o'clock, and the mall, pretty much most of the stores are closed, so either they're not gonna open or they're just not opening yet, and they've decided to just open for 2 hours. I don't know, just kind of dumb. But I'm gonna leave the mall and head to the supermarket. So the crack store is also closed. It's not good, man. It's 8:30. Open up. Alright, really going to the supermarket because these places are closed.
Ladies, my babies. My island girl, give me 1, give me 2, give me 3. Caribbean ladies for me. Trinidadian girl, them for me. Out of the key. My Asian babies wine for me.
I love these island girls. You rock my world. Pretty little thing, got a shape and everything. We're more than pearls. I love these island girls. You rock my world. Pretty little thing, got a shape and everything. We're more than pearls. island.
Walk out, me Caribbean girl, clean from your head up to your toe. God's greatest gift on earth, shout it out, make the whole world know.
I love these island girls. You rock my world. Pretty little thing, got a shape and everything, worth more than pearls. I love these island girls. You rock my world. Pretty little thing, got a shape and everything, worth more than pearls.
Me no afraid fi talk, them have the key to me heart. Hot girls are them top the chart. Love me island queen, yeah them all up in a me dream. Love see the Trini girls wine to calypso. Yeah the girls broke it down then dip so. Asian girl have the face when me like now go came on fi spend one night.
I love these island girls. You rock my world. Pretty
So I'm in the supermarket now, and it is not that packed, so that's good. There's people here, but it's not that full. So just grabbing a few stuff quickly and I'm out.
more than pearls.
In the Caribbean, we have the land, we have the sun, we have the sea. We have some of the best ladies with the best qualities. Girl, you know me love can't done. Make we have a little fun in the sun. Girl from Anguilla, then the type of girl me dinner. Give me a senorita from Dominica. All my babies in Costa Rica, Cuba and Bahamas and over Nicaragua.
I love these island girls. You rock my world. Pretty little thing, got a shape and everything, worth more than pearls. I love these island girls. You rock my world. Pretty little thing, got a shape and everything, worth more than pearls.
Hey my lovely people, it is night time. I'm at home, and can I tell you, I totally forgot that I was vlogging today. You know, after I got in minutes to 12 for the curfew, I've just been at home lounging around on the computer doing work all over the place. I didn't cook, but I made porridge, and I've just been here, man. I've just been here. It is 6 o'clock now, and I'm about to create a piece of content for Smart Mobile Solutions. I've been doing that promotion now for a month, so I'm sure you guys would have heard about it. So I'm gonna shoot my final piece of content that I have for them under our arrangement now. So just been myself a little bit of behind the scenes, and I'm in my room, and you guys don't even want to see what in my room looks like. It's crazy. This is more of a chill vlog, not outside, because you know it's curfew and we're inside and thing. So one of my camera them over there. So, yo, the room is a mess. I can't be sure. No, look there. But I say I don't really have nothing to hide, you know. But I still can show you everything. Let me show you what I made. So this was dinner tonight. It's oats porridge, and yes, it's harder, I know, because it's cold, but I usually like it like almost tough anyways. I don't like it watery. That's milk. And I use this milk to make it. It's an oat milk from Canada, sold here in Jamaica. So yeah, I don't even know if you guys like these type of vlogs, more chill vibe. You know, I'm not doing the regular country vlogs right now because we're inside, but let me know in the comment section below, do you like these more chill homey type vlogs as well? It wouldn't replace anything, it would be an as well if I'm doing it. Let me know. And by the way guys, remember to subscribe to the channel, which is that red subscribe button, that red button just below the video. Just press it, because it helps me to continue to create these videos for you, because when YouTube sees that I'm putting in the work and you guys are not subscribing, then it assumes that you guys don't like the video, and I know you do. So just subscribe to the channel. It helps me to grow, it helps us to have a bigger community, and it helps me to continue creating this content for you. And then they see that bell icon just beside the subscribe button. Press it, because when you press it, when you click it, then it will send your device a notification as soon as I post a video, so you don't miss nothing. You don't miss the lives, you don't miss nothing at all. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, I'm gonna put on this camera now, because I'm using the other camera to do that video, so I will come back. So I changed the top because I feel like this one match a little bit better. Let me show you what's behind. So guys, this is the behind the scenes of the sit down videos. You see it's not proper. I'm gonna go back, camera over there, lights and thing, and you guys get sharp, crisp, nice looking images at the end. So I just put on this because I wanted a brighter color. And I'm thinking, see, I'm actually sitting on my bed. Yes, the color in the background, should I make it green? No, I think that blending too much with the yellow, red, pink, purple, blue. I think I'm liking the blue. I've been doing yellow and blue for a little while now, and I've been feeling it. So I think that's the color that I'm gonna work with. So let me film this and then come back. So I just finished recording my little clip. I was gonna edit it. You know, Jamaicans want to pronounce the in front of everything. But anyways, I am going to go and edit that clip right now, and you guys will have already seen it on my Instagram profile. If you're not following me on Instagram, now would be a great time to go. It is at Rochielin. It's the same on Twitter, same on Instagram, same everywhere. So hurry up. Alright, I'm going to edit and I'll see you guys later. So editing time now at editing station. Computer here. Turn this on. Hey, who that? Time to do that. Wish me luck. So of course I have to I'm really taking you guys in some of the journey here, you know, I'm not gonna see the behind the scenes really. So of course, first thing first, in editing, for those of you that are really interested, I'm using, I took the memory card from the camera and I'm using a MacBook, and you know Mac got stingy and took away all of the ports, so I have to get an external thingy-majiggy to stick in. So I'm going to do that and then connect this to the computer. And then I also recorded my audio externally using this device, which is a H5 Zoom recorder, and it also has a memory stick inside. So I'm gonna take the memory stick out, and after transferring the video files from the first memory stick, then I'm gonna transfer the audio files, and then I sync them together. I don't do that all the time, but I do it most times for like the sit down at home videos, not the vlogs. The vlogs is a whole nother story. So that's what that's all about. Welcome to my humble abode. Welcome to the Rochielin. Alright, so and let me show you also I edit and I store the files, some of them on external SSDs, which are towards the back of my computer. So now I'm going to transfer the files over onto this one right now. Not telling any more of my secrets. Good morning, guys. It's a new day, it's a new dawn, it's a new life. Hey, it is Sunday, April 11th. It's another day of lockdown, and I'm just waking up. I make sure put this over my mouth so you guys can get to smell my morning breath. But how you doing? I survived day 1 of lockdown yesterday, and now it's day 2. This morning it's actually 10 o'clock. I'm just waking up. Can you believe that? So I'm going to I really appreciate all of you for sticking it through this video and to even making it to this point of the video. Really, really, really appreciate it. How you guys doing? I'm gonna get up now, and I'll see you guys in a bit. Alright, so I'm up now. I'm a mess. I've been up for a little while, just run around the place. I'm about to make something to eat. Alright, so in the kitchen now, and I probably should have shown you before I started. I bought this. I had a curry chicken that I bought in the supermarket. It came already seasoned with curry. Yes, the lazy life, whatever. So what I did was to go ahead and put it in the pot. It was being thawed out for about an hour, but it never reached nowhere, so I'm just put it in the pot anyways. So it already comes seasoned, pre-seasoned with curry and stuff, and I'm gonna cook that, but I'm gonna add a little bit more seasoning and put some more onion and thing. You know, we like with food, Jamaicans, Caribbean people, with seasoning. So I added some more seasoning, as you can see, and I also added a little bit of natural coconut oil that I had bought at the Linstead market. You guys would have seen that video before. This lady, she makes the coconut oil, so I use that, and now I'm just going to cover it and leave it. Here's the rice. Let's turn this front burner. Let's turn this low, very low, and let's cover this pot. So rice there, chicken here. Can I tell you guys that I totally forgot that I was vlogging and I was just about to eat, and I'm like, wait, but I should show you the finished product. So this is the finished product. This, ignore the plate, it's not perfectly decorated or whatever, but this is it. This is rice with curry chicken, and that's what I am about to eat. This is the remainder of the chicken, so I have more food for later. And this is the remainder of the rice, so I have more rice for later. And I'm now going to eat, so bon appetit while I edit this video as well. Alright fam, I'm gonna leave you right here because I want to go and edit this video so that you guys have something to watch today. So the fact that you are even hearing this part of the video means you made it to the end, and for that I'm so grateful, so happy, so appreciative, and thank you so much. Remember to like this video, remember to press the subscribe button. I've been telling you all video that to press that red subscribe button that's just below the video, especially because we're trying to get to 50,000 subscribers this month. We're at 40 something thousand, so 50 is the next milestone. So please to help me to get there by clicking the red subscribe button and to press the bell that is just beside it. You see, it don't cost you nothing, it just costs you a click. So I'm begging you, I'm asking you nicely. Thank you guys so much. And remember to press the thumbs up button as well, the thumbs up that's just below. Let me know if you like the video, let me know that you support the channel. And I just want to say thank you. Regular vlogs resume on Wednesday, so look out for that because I do have an interesting one coming up, and it's outside, it's not in the house like this. It's not in Kingston actually, let me give you a clue, it's in Falmouth. So we're all the way over in Falmouth in Trelawney, so you are going to want to see it. So subscribe and press the bell just beside the subscribe button if you haven't done so already, so that as soon as I drop the video you get notified. Alright, so I'll see you guys on Wednesday. Bye.